Most people don't know that back in the 1960s, the US only imported about 6% of our total goods. That's now over 60%. We began to ask why. Well, ever since my great-grandfather began manufacturing corrugated boxes in 1917, Fellows has been committed to designing, engineering, and manufacturing as many of our products in the United States as possible. Our legacy brand, Banker's Box, started here over 100 years ago, and today we are still manufacturing in the US, continuing to employ the local community here in Itasca, Illinois. In 2011, we decided to bring a significant portion of our Fellows shredder manufacturing back to the United States. This proved difficult at times, since it's not always convenient or easy to make products in the US. It took proficiency, creativity, capital investment, and the right people. In fact, it may seem contrary, but we have invested many of our resources into our infrastructure and automated technology, which has enabled us to maintain more jobs in the US as we keep up with demand. Fellows Brands is fueled by the ideas that evolve to meet the need of an ever-changing world. And in keeping with our core values, Fellows nurtures a culture that delivers on its promises.